Hey, what's up, guys? Sal Leto coming to you live. Just want to share a quick recap of what today looked like. We haven't did recaps in a few days just because we are running a software update for our community. You could see we just released version 2.0. We had some bugs we wanted to work out, and we added some really powerful new features. So these were some trades that wrapped up today with the software. These are two different signals that began Friday and ended up closing out today. This one was called this morning, right after market open, had a much tighter, smaller setup here. And this one was started on Friday and ended up closing out today as well. So two successful trades wrapping up today on the NASDAQ. And then on gold, we had a really powerful signal right here that was called out in the morning that went all the way to a 1 to 3. And then we had another one called out in the afternoon in the New York PM session that's currently floating in profit. And then today we took a trade with our community. We trade every day at 9:30 in the morning on the NASDAQ. You could see that we called out this trade right here. We actually had a take profit 1 and a take profit 2 that were called out. We could see the take profit 1 was hit pretty fast on the market open call. And then later in the afternoon, the full take profit was reached, take profit 2. And you could see a whole bunch of people in our community made a whole bunch of profit today, which was really awesome. Lots of people took these trades for really successful results, and it's just been amazing with the community. I could scroll through here, and you'll just see all kinds of incredible results from the community crushing it. Now, some real quick analysis. Where are these markets going? So this is higher time frame analysis on the NASDAQ. This is a custom indicator that we also offer to our community called Liquidity Targets. It gives us our higher time frame narrative and bias. So we could see right here on the NASDAQ, we were expecting continued bullish momentum today since we had kind of a weak and subjective reversal pattern down here. But we were expecting price to come up into this supply zone, and we could start to see some consolidation at this point on the Nasdaq. If price doesn't go above the top of this session box right here from the indicator, and then we could see some further movement back to the downside. So we think it's going to struggle for a little bit based on what the indicator is showing us. It might even go up a little bit higher. Who knows? It could even get close to this equal high over here and then start to turn around, right? But the direct upward movement that we saw today, we're not expecting the exact same movement going into tomorrow with some red folder news events. And similar analysis on gold. There was a really big record sell-off on gold. We went through about a week and a half, almost 2 weeks of just consolidation here. You could see there hasn't been really any big breakouts until today. Finally, gold started moving, and we see definitely continued movement to the upside for gold. We think that gold can start targeting all-time highs to fill the gap from the big record sell-off, right? And so that's why with this breakout, that's why our software was on top of it, calling out these amazing trades. We think this trade also has a lot of potential. So that's what's going on in Traders Compound. Hope you appreciate the quick free analysis and you like what you're seeing with the software as well as the results from our live calls. We'll see you next time, guys.